hair removal in terms of cost is quite variable. It's really based off of the surface area. So if we have a small area like an upper lip, maybe a chin, also an underarm might be like a medium area, those areas are going to be much more cost effective than if we're treating like a leg. So we have the full upper leg, the full thigh, then we also have a lower leg that's a much larger surface area. It consumes a lot more of our laser technicians' time, so that would be priced much more highly than a small area. Here at Plaza Aesthetics and Wellness, we do have monthly memberships that are very affordable. We recommend 8 treatments. If you do decide to go ahead and do one of our memberships, you purchase 6 treatments, you get 2 free for a total of 8, and then you're able to make monthly payments to us. So if you have more body hair, that does not mean that it will be more expensive. It's actually almost quite the opposite. So we want a good target for our laser. So dense, large amounts of hair or very dark, coarse hair, those patients are the best candidates for laser hair removal and will likely see results much quicker. If someone has very fine, sparse hair, maybe more lightly colored, those patients are going to maybe require more treatments beyond the 8 and be much more difficult to treat. So we do not charge more if someone has more body hair. When we see new patients in consults, laser hair removal is often one of the most common concerns. We do hand our patients a face and then a body, and they can kind of circle their areas of concern. They may even be here for neurotoxin, but they're also circling excessive hair. It's very common that we do see patients for laser hair removal. That may be the first time that they kind of dip their toe into laser hair. Everyone has hair, so it's a treatment that pretty much anyone who has hair, which we all do, can utilize our lasers. There are some very specific procedures we have for specific concerns, but that's the nice thing about laser hair removal is it really applies to everyone. When you come in for your consult for laser hair removal, we recommend at that point, unless you're planning to get treated that day, to come in unshaved. Sometimes we do have questions about the hair growth. We may have patients that we need to make sure that they don't have very light blonde hair or white hair. We also want to see maybe the density of the hair so we can better quote them in terms of what this might look at in terms of cost. The average patient, we recommend 8 treatments. Again, that treats about 90 to 99% hair reduction, but there are some outliers. So, we may have, let's say, a gentleman come in who has white hair, but he may still have very dark body hair. So we just want to make sure that they're a proper candidate. We would never want to recommend laser hair removal for someone who maybe has an outlier where the laser is not going to properly treat them.